2 years ago, a labor law went into effect that penalizes employers for serious safety-related accidents. While that is set to expand to small companies, the government and the ruling party are pushing to grant an additional grace period. The amendment is facing strong opposition from labor unions. Shin Se-byuck reports.
Small companies may receive an additional 2-year grace period for a workplace safety law, which penalizes employers for severe industrial accidents, as the deadline approaches for firms with fewer than 50 employees. The decision was made during a consultative meeting of officials from the presidential office, the government, and the ruling People Power Party on Sunday, due to concerns over potential negative effects on small businesses.
Applying the laws indiscriminately could lead to closures of small and medium-sized businesses and subsequent job losses.
The government initially granted a grace period from the Serious Accidents Punishment Act until January 27, 2024, for companies with under 50 employees, acknowledging that about 80% of all serious accidents involve such firms. The act, which came into force in January 2022, imposes a minimum of 1 year in prison or fines up to 1 billion won, roughly $770,000, on business owners with 50 or more employees in cases of fatal on-duty disasters caused by inadequate workplace safety measures. Businesses with fewer than 5 employees remain exempt. To ensure the passage of the amendment by the end of this year, the ruling party stated that it would closely work with the main opposition Democratic Party. Last month, the Democratic Party of Korea took a conditionally supportive stance regarding the discussion on the 2-year grace period. The 3 conditions proposed by Democratic Party included an official apology from the government for the delay, concrete plans and financial support for workplace safety, and a firm commitment from economic organizations to enforce the act for all companies following the 2-year grace period. If passed, some 800,000 companies nationwide will be affected by the amendment. However, the legislative amendment is facing strong opposition from trade unions. The Federation of Korean Trade Unions said the grace period extension would expose workers to dangerous workplace conditions, while the Korean Confederation of Trade Unions is set to hold a rally on Tuesday. Shin Se-byuck, 아리랑뉴스.